guys, I am back with a cool video. Well, all my videos were cool, so today, let me just move. I'm gonna do one more video before I vlog tomorrow. And it's not like a challenge or anything. It's gonna be a quick video anyway, a very quick video. And it's called the baking soda and vinegar explosion. I'm basically just crushing and in here it looks like water, but don't worry, it's vinegar. So for this explosion, I want to make it close. So ready, go. Guys, that was amazing. That was so cool. And over here, and this is my last video before I vlog. And I am going. And guys, my parents have a channel, so sometimes, and if my parents say no, I'm doing a video today, tomorrow, sorry you can't use the camera for a vlog tomorrow, having a fun day at your church, they said no, I'm gonna pour icy water on my head, just for you guys, if they say no, because like, last time I said I was gonna vlog at Olive Garden, and I didn't with my crappy self. So yeah, that's all. Subscribe to be a Wilson. Bye.